Alright, finally back home. What is up, guys? It's Quentin at The Young Enthusiast. I know I haven't uploaded in a week, and I'm sorry for that. But nothing happened last week, so I couldn't upload anything. But we do have something good for this week. So, check this out. This is my Integra's dash lights, right? You can see they're boring white. You can see they're also kind of dim on the right side. So guess what I got? A couple about last weekend. It's Saturday now. I managed to get this right here from Amazon. Some things I really been wanting. I took a look at them like not too long ago, and ever since I found them, I've been wanting some. They got this box in here tight. Now I gotta break the box just to get. Oh, I was opening it the wrong way. Now, got some new lights. These are supposed to be purple, but I think they'll look good. This thing really does look like it'll work really good. So hopefully we can get these lights done before the night so I can actually be able to see what I'm doing. But it's just an easy little thing. Well, let's get into it. Pop the trunk. Get all this junk out the way. I'm gonna need me some tools for this. So with this, I looked it up to get the gauge cluster out. Just need a couple of things. It ain't that hard. So I'm gonna need some screws, which I got a bunch of them right here. This would help on the first part, and this screwdriver right here will help me get the rest of them out, because it's also a little bit in there. I'm also going to need this adapter, and as an extra precaution, in case I can't see anything, I got this big ass flashlight right here. So first things first, there's two big ass bolts that I need to take out. Here's the first one, and here's the second one right here. The phone's not going to focus. And there's just a couple, like 3 more or so, like in here. It ain't gonna be that hard. Alright, halfway into getting this crap off. As you can see, there's 3 bolts right here. There's another one over here, and there's one on top. Ooh, this part right here was actually hard to get off. It was stuck on there. Ooh wee. Let's get to it. Alright, kiddos, this part actually wasn't so hard. For some reason, there wasn't a top bolt, so I'm guessing they did some stuff behind here before already. But I got this thing out, and man, this thing is pretty awesome actually. So there's the 3 bolts I want to replace. The centers and all that crap. So just twist them out, and here's the bulb right here. Pretty small bulb. Well, I'm gonna take a good video of whenever I finally get these things put in. So wish me luck. Alright guys, moment of truth. Oh yeah, that looks great right there. This is exactly what I was hoping for. I love purplish pink, and that would really match the whole personality that I'm going for with this car. Despair. Despair's finally got purple lights. Now, there's a bunch of stuff I do plan on doing to this car. Reason why I went with purple lights, because this car has a little bit of a dark thing, a little bit of a sad boys thing. So I do plan on getting the windows tinted, probably black or purple, and the car will be all black. And maybe next month, if I'm lucky, I will be getting some new wheels, probably black ones. Well, man, I'm so happy that this actually worked. So let's make sure everything's good and put everything back together. Well, guys, this is the end of the video. We got everything right on this. Everything still works on this car, and it looks great. It's a good thing I did, because those lights, some of them were burnt out, as you guys saw my previous thing. What? But man, this is amazing. I'm really happy that this really worked out. And those lights only cost me about $7.99, about a little bit more than that in shipping, a little bit like $5 in shipping, because I don't have Amazon Prime, but it still worked out. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Hopefully I can get some more content next week, because I don't know if I'm going to a car meet or not, but I know I'm going to Cars and Coffee. You guys seem to enjoy those videos. And guess what? I've also hit 500 subscribers, so I'm very happy about that. I do plan on making a new special video for that. And I hope you guys are enjoying this late Saturday. It's Friday right now for me. And I'll see you guys next time.